Today we're going to build a belt buckle from soda cans. To make our mold, we're going to use styrofoam, a heat source, and a small piece of metal that will heat up. Draw out your design, heat up the metal, and start carving out your pattern. For this belt buckle, our sprues are going to be strategically placed so that they become part of the design. So we're going to use some hot glue, glue it on. Now we're ready to turn it into metal. While we melt the soda cans, we're going to bury the styrofoam in sand. That way, the aluminum will be able to fill the place of the styrofoam. The aluminum's almost ready. I didn't pour fast enough. Hopefully the mold works out and we don't have any holes or gaps. Looks like it turned out alright. Guess we'll need to go polish it though. This took a lot of work. Styrofoam is not the best thing to use when casting, but it works if you don't have anything else. I didn't cut the whole sprue off. This is how we're going to attach the buckle to the belt. So we're going to drill some holes. I'm using some 1/8 inch steel here, and we're going to bend it around, gives that shape to attach to the belt. And there it is. So your belt's going to go around that and lock on. I decided to fill the inside of it with some epoxy. Didn't have plastic cups, so we used some wax paper. It worked, but it wasn't the best. Pour the epoxy in. We'll let it set and then sand it down. It turned out pretty good, but there are a couple bubbles that I didn't get out. So we'll have to fill those in and then we'll try it again. Once that dries, we'll put it here on the sander and get it flat. Then we can polish it. Just look at it shine. It's a little on the thicker side, but it works out pretty good. We'll attach it to the belt and see how it looks. This is a lot harder than you think to do with one hand. I think it looks pretty good. Definitely a couple of spots we could improve on, but wore it all day and it feels nice. Make sure to subscribe for next week's project.